Hey, what's good? How you doing? It's your girl Ladessa. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. How you doing? I'm good. Anytime we're together is a good time for me. So I shared with you in my last video that YouTube made me buy it. And one of the things that I've really enjoyed since being down here on YouTube is subscription boxes. So since we're talking subscription, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Hit that little red button right there. After this video is over, if you enjoy what I am sharing with you, give me a big thumbs up. I don't want to just show up to your house without you knowing. So if you would turn on that notification bell, you'll know that I'm calling or showing up on your phone, on your TV, on your tablet, announced, not unannounced. And if you are into subscription boxes, what company do you use? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. So this week, what prompted me to want to do this video is my girl Courtney KH. She is a huge fan of BoxyCharm, and also one of the people that I've been watching that made me want to get into subscription boxes. Her iCard is right here. Her link will be below. And also my girl down south with Danny. She is my high-end makeup queen. I shared with you last week that when I grow up in makeup, I want to be like my girl Kelly H-Town with all of the colors and how she puts her her eyeshadow looks together with color. And then when I really get my paying my weight up, I need to follow in the footsteps of my girl down south with Danny. She has all the high-end makeup, and she has taught me how to organize my makeup instead of everything being a cluster of mess. I have gotten little compartments to pull my looks together for the week, and then my bathroom is no longer a mess with the makeup all over the place. So check out Danny and how she puts together her week, her looks for the week. Her iCard is also going to be right here, and her channel link is going to be in the description box below. All right, so subscription boxes. When I first started, of course, I did Ipsy. Everybody does Ipsy, but I was like, a lot of that stuff wasn't necessarily, to be perfectly honest with you, wasn't curated for all this black girl magic. Let's just keep it a buck. So I did my research and I found, and I think I've shared this with you, which subscription box I used before, but we'll go into more detail. So I did my research and I found out that there are subscription boxes curated for women of color, and the one that I chose was Onyx Box. So let me show you the box. The normal rate is 25 bucks, but the plus to that, I'm using this big old knife. The plus to that is that you get full-size product. But currently they have a special going on for $19.99 a month. And similar to Juvia's Place, they have wonderful, beautiful artwork in their box. Let me show you this. So this is the for the month of August. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at all that. Popping, pop. Look at all that melanin popping. All right, so this is the month of August. We are getting a lipstick, some nail wraps, black soap, African black soap, a face mask, and a Almond Marshmallow duo. I don't know what that is, but here is the card. Look how beautiful that is. Letting you know all of the products that you're getting for the month, and all of the descriptions of the items are below. So I will put the link to Onyx Box in the description box. So they always provide you with a like an information card. So it looks like the Eden's Bodyworks Almond Marshmallow Duo is a hair care line. I never heard of it. All right. so this is just an information card about this Eden brand. You know what? I am telling a fib. I have used this brand's edge control from the beauty supply store. All right, so these are the OUiGLO Rich Collagen Face Mask. I love a face mask. I do my best to try to follow the 10-step Korean skincare. I keep my face mask in the refrigerator. So after I do like a scrub or a deep pore cleaning, or after I do a peel, I put these on and just really moisturize my face. So these are, what are they? The description says, just a duo, so a set of 2. That'll cost you these will cost you $6. All right. Oh, and these are these are super cute. I don't do anything with my natural nails, but my best friend will love these. These are nail appliques. They're kind of like in kente cloth design. So you get 26 of those. They're ultra thin, self-adhesive nail wraps. Oh, and you also get a file. And this will run you, what does it say? This will run you $18. Oh, and then here are my products from Eden. So I have the Therapy Leave-In Conditioner right here. Let me get in closer so you can see that. That packaging is actually really pretty. I hope this is focusing. There we go. And then this is a hydration serum. Let me make sure I'm turning it the right way. All right. Let me smell this. Ooh, this smells good. It smells almondy, but really fresh. Like fresh. You know how fresh smells, but it smells like almond and fresh, like a really fresh, clean scent. Let me smell the leave-in conditioner. Ooh, this smells really almondy. This is very, ooh, I can't wait to use this. And this is awesome because I don't shampoo. I don't use shampoo. I co-wash, which basically means I thoroughly rinse my hair. And I use conditioner to comb through my hair. And when I need to, like, if I have a lot of buildup, then I'll take like maybe a capful or 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar to kind of break down like gel and product, just to kind of, you know, like I said, break it down and rinse it out. So I don't shampoo. So these are perfect. So hopefully I'll like these and I can check these out. All right. And then this is the Nubian Heritage African Black Soap. It is a, what's it say? Targeted exfoliant spot treatment, anti-acne and clarifying. Okay. I tried this brand's deodorant because I don't use like traditional deodorant with aluminum, and I didn't really like it, so I use a different brand now. So it says use homeopathic spot treatment for acne prone skin. And then this is this little spot treatment right here. So I normally use Burt's Bees when I have a little flare up, because I mean, I may be 45, but mother is still young, hot and popping. So I'll try to see what Nubian Heritage got going on and see if it can give Burt's Bees a run for its money. And then last but not least, this is the Noyah lipstick. Oh, this African soap acne treatment will cost you $13. And the Eden Duo will cost you $6. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. So this is the packaging. I took it out of the packaging. And then this is the lipstick right here. How pretty is that? Kind of got like a bamboo feel with colors. And this is, what color is this called? African Nights. All right, now, well, let's just apply this and see what's all it doing. I'm gonna have to, I don't have a mirror, so I'm just gonna do this with you. Okay, I'm not mad. I would probably use a liner with it just because I have a little bit of a smoky eye, and I personally don't think that you can do a smoky eye and a red lip. That's just my opinion. So I feel like I kind of look a little clowny right now, so we're gonna wrap this thing right on up. All right, so if you are interested, and this lipstick right here is actually really pretty. This will cost you $18. So in the description box below, I'm going to give you the link to Onyx Box so you can check out their subscription boxes. Just like all of the other subscription boxes, you can cancel at any time. And then I'll also leave you links to all of these items that the companies that sell these items that are in the box. And that's it. This was probably one of my my shortest videos. All right, well, always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. And I will see you on the next one. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give me a big thumbs up, and let's talk about whatever you want to talk about, and subscription boxes in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.